Hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing how to make your own video response. So let's get started. Just gonna go to my huge international giveaway and make the video showing how to make the video response. So first, just wait. There it says respond to this video, and you click it 2 times and it says create a video response or post. Click the create a video response and wait it until it makes out that thing. Not choose a video, don't choose a video. You need to upload a video and click start to begin uploading your video response. So click start, then just wait for a few, and it says record from webcam. So there. It says auto-detecting some stuffs and allow. Wait, I'm just gonna fix these and remember. So there's me, guys, making the video. So that's all. Bye. Subscribe.